Please refer section 3.1.4 in the IOM. The loop test feature is designed to verify loop wiring and transmitter output, and should only be performed after the installation of the transmitter. It allows the user to manually manipulate the analog output to a selected constant output value. Click on the button Loop Test to start the method. The first screen is a warning message for the user to remove the device from automatic control. Whenever sending or requesting data that would disrupt the loop, or change the output of the transmitter, set the process application loop to manual. Please note that acknowledging this prompt does not set the loop to manual. The prompt is only a reminder to set the loop to manual as a separate operation. The user needs to ensure that the device is not a part of any automated control strategy that would be disturbed due to this action. Click Next. This screen lets you choose the analog output level for the transmitter to output. Let us select 20 mA option here. Click Next for this change to take effect. The message here tells you when the field device output is fixed. You can navigate to the process variable menu to verify the loop current value. As you can see, the PV loop current is at 20 mA value as per the setting. You may also check the reference meter installed in the test loop to verify that it displays the commanded output value. Clicking Next here will take you back to the output selection screen. Let us now try to set a user-defined value. To do that, please select the other option and click Next. The next screen provides a text box to input a user-desired value. Let us say we want to set the analog output to a 12.5 mA level. Type in the number and press Next for it to take effect. The message tells you when the field device output is fixed at the 12.5 mA level. You can verify the same on the Process Variables menu. If the values match, the transmitter and the loop are configured and functioning properly. If the values do not match, the current meter may be attached to the wrong loop, there may be a fault in the wiring, the transmitter may require rearranging, or the reference meter may be malfunctioning. Click Next on the method screen to go back to the output selection screen. When you are satisfied with the tests, select the option End to end the method. Click Next. The field device will be returned to its original output and the user will be notified that the device may be returned to the automatic control. Clicking Next will display a method complete screen. Acknowledge this screen by click on the Finish button. The loop test method window will go away with no further action required on the same.